Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Dead as Disco game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Dead as Disco game and then select properties. Then go to the controller tab and here first select the disable Steam input and then restart the game. And after restarting the game, check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game because changing requires restart of the game, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Press the Alt plus Enter keys. Try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. And then check if the controller is working in Dead as Disco game or not. Fix 3. Disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripheral devices and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4. Check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you're using a wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly, and if you're using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different PC to identify the problem. Fix 5. Use a wired controller. This is an alternative option. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Now the last solution is to restart Steam or restart PC. So simply close the Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch Dead as Disco game and check. If that doesn't help, then just restart your PC and then run Steam as an admin and then check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Dead as Disco game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.